brothers and sisters. They're not nestmate. The nestmate is right there to that bootleg one. But they all brothers and sisters. Only two of them in here is nestmate. The two with the white tips are nestmate. There's the other white one's sister right here. The white right here, her nestmate is right here. That's her nestmate. Both of them hens. They both came out as hens. And that's one of their sisters right there, full sister, that grizzle. Starting the nest again. And all those reds you see right here, all the reds, family, this is the cock. Cock right here, that's the hen. Cock and the hen. It's their parents. She's sitting back there, but she got no eggs right now. She just sitting.